Hey everyone, welcome to AI with Me channel. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be diving into the world of Ultralytics and showing you how to create a powerful image detection model. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this video has something for everyone. So, let's not waste any more time and get right into it. Alright, first things first, let's get familiar with Ultralytics Hub. Ultralytics HUB is a no-code platform that simplifies the process of training and deploying custom YOLO version 5 and YOLO version 8 models. To get started, visit ultralytics.com and click the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a password, then click Sign Up once more. You can use your Gmail to sign up too. Now I will use my Gmail for signing up. After signing up, please select your job and enter your name. For the last option, please choose Training and Monitoring Models. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Datasets tab and click Upload Dataset. How to create a dataset from labeling and construct a folder that follows the Ultralytics format will be covered in another tutorial. For now, I will choose my existing dataset for demonstration. You can find a link to this dataset in the description below. Select your dataset file and click Upload. Ultralytics HUB will then scan and visualize your dataset. Once the dataset is set up, click Train Model to create a new model from your uploaded dataset. Enter your project name and model name. I have uploaded the license plate detection dataset, so I will create a project with a similar name. In this step, you will have 3 options: Ultralytics Cloud, Google Colab, and bring your own agent. The best choice is Google Colab, so I will choose this. However, it requires some additional steps for training. Please follow me as I show you how to train a model by integrating with Google Colab. Remember, click Connect to a GPU runtime on the top right. This will make your training process more faster. Once the training is complete, you can test your model by clicking on the Preview tab. Here, you can choose an image for your model to detect. And there you have it. You've successfully created an image detection model using Ultralytics. Give yourself a pat on the back. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome AI content.